open the image. On a new layer, let us create the base of the hair using the darkest shade. Here we are using dip and hard brush and creating strands and also the base of the hair. Once the line art is ready, let us fill it up using the bucket tool. Fill up all the gaps you see in between. Next, using the smudge tool, let us define the shape of the hair. Now create a new layer. With the help of a round brush angle, create hair strands like this. Pick a shade lighter than the base color. Here I have changed the blend mode to screen. You can experiment with other blend modes as well. Now on a new layer, with the blend mode add and using the same brush as the previous one, create highlights with the lightest shade. That's all friends. Thank you for watching.